Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Kotex. We'll delve into the fundamental purposes of these two distinct offerings. Notion serves as a comprehensive digital workspace, empowering users to organize information, manage projects, and collaborate seamlessly. Conversely, Kotex focuses entirely on personal care, offering a range of products designed for feminine hygiene. Understanding their core functions is the first step in appreciating their unique value propositions. Moving on to features, Notion provides a rich suite of digital tools. Imagine creating intricate databases, building personal wikis, or tracking projects with its flexible templates. It's all about digital organization and productivity. Kotex, however, delivers physical products with specific attributes like different absorbencies, regular, super, and ultra, and various forms such as pads and tampons, all engineered for comfort and reliable protection during menstruation. These are truly distinct feature sets. Considering their target audiences, Notion appeals to a broad spectrum: students, freelancers, startups, and large enterprises seeking to streamline workflows and enhance collaboration. Its use cases span from personal note-taking to complex project management. Kotex, on the other hand, serves menstruating individuals worldwide, providing essential products for managing their menstrual cycles. The daily applications for each are profoundly different, addressing entirely separate aspects of life and work. Finally, let's consider accessibility and cost. Notion provides a generous free personal plan, with paid tiers starting from around $8 per month for more advanced team features and increased storage. Kotex products are readily available in virtually all grocery stores and pharmacies, with prices typically ranging from a few dollars to about $15 per pack, depending on the product type and quantity. Both are accessible, but their costs reflect their vastly different utilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.